We are here at the GAPP Awards 2024 at Emperor's Palace in Johannesburg, South Africa, where many of the finest in the print and signage industry have entered their artwork in for judging in the hope of winning the much sought-after GAPP Award in their category. The GAPP Awards is the largest and most prestigious awards competition in the world that encompasses print in all of its aspects. Litho, digital, flexo, labels, packaging, gravure, signage, large format finishing and specialist printing. And as you can see, the entries are of exceptional quality. AM.CO.za acknowledges the GAPP Awards and its efforts in keeping the industry standards and expectations at its highest level. And this year AM.CO.za clients once again are in the running for an award.
Again, in this category we've got 2 gold awards to be given out. The first one goes to in-house branding for Queen Bee Dining Room Chair.
A heartfelt congratulations to Jason and Julia of in-house branding on their outstanding achievements.
The Bronze Award goes to in-house branding for Captain Teddy Concept.
What an awesome event the GAPP Awards 2024 has been. It happens every 2 years, and who knows, maybe you will be entering your own items into this prestigious event in 2026.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.